I assure you, I have commitment for this. I'm committed to a better Nigeria. I'm committed to a Nigeria where Nigerians will be proud again to say this is our country, where there's hope for the younger ones, where there's hope for our youth, where our youth will use their energy to ensure that the country is productive. Well, that is just of Nigerians. I said, join me, let's take back Nigeria for the 100 million people living in poverty, for the 15 to 20 million out of school children that will be put back to school. To join me in ensuring that the millions of people who are unemployed today are given a hope. To ensure that things will start working.